Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Today I am presenting to you different types of conductors and cables and their advantages, application and advancement. Wires and cables. It is the size of type of the wire cable must be suitable for the power rating required for their uses. The highly power, the thick, the wire and cable. Wire are used in domestic purpose and in small industry wiring purpose and application. Uses of cable, small and big industry like distribution lines, transmission lines. Wires. There are various types of wire. First we will see the VIP wire. It is called as vulcanized insulation rubber wire. It is of copper and aluminum conductor and a rubber coating used on it. It is suitable for low and medium voltage supply only. Second, CTS and TRS wire. It is called as scrap tight silt wire and tough rubber silt wire. Hard and good rubber coating on the copper wire is used on this wire. It is used in householding wire in industry wiring. Available in 200, 250 and 4 by 440 voltage only. Weatherproof wire. Non-weather reacts. It is the type of wire because it cotton bleeding with waterproofing, but it is an filament, so it is used in now. LC wire. It is called as the lead covered wire. Lead pipe or rubber insulation and the coating of conductor. It is very good in moisture condition, but less tensile stress in the low uses now. PVC wire. Second, we will see the PVC wire. It is used in polyamide coating wire, PVC coating in copper conduction, so it is many advantages. First, high dielectric strength, high tensile strength, more defensive against moisture, high life, no distribution errors. It is available in 600, 660, 1100 voltage only. There are three core wire. The three core wire in the PVC insulation wire. It is used for single phase. Blue wire is for neutral, brown wire is for live wire, yellow wire is for earth. Cable structure. There are the cable structure used in the power transmission. First, core, PVC insulation, oil duct, metallic screen and rubber insulation. General construction and main parts of cable. It is a core, insulation, metallic strip, bleeding and ammonoring. Classification of the cables. Types of insulation: cotton covers, steel cover, rubber coating and PVC coated. Type of conductor is copper and aluminum. It is a shape of flat and round. Voltage rating, it is low voltage cables are 1000 voltage, high voltage cables are 11 kV, super tension cable up to 132 132 kV, high tension it is up to 132 kV and more. Ultra high voltage cables are 400 kV and more. Standard wire gauge. Wire gauge generally it is used to measure the wire size. Cable safety, waterproofing, rust proofing, free from weather and tears, and it should have given insulator. Thank you.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.